Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas 2018. I participated last year and I started maybe right before Thanksgiving, and I said to myself I would never do that again, especially for that long, because I felt like it stole a lot of my joy within that time. But I did love to go back and see a lot of the memories that we have, and you know, just covering different things that we did. And I have my own idea of how I'm going to do Vlogmas this year. I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy it. But the theme, I guess you would say, in this sharing of Vlogmas is grace. To number one, give grace to others, give grace to myself, and also have everything filled with grace. So whether that be in movement, in my videography, anything along those lines, everything that I do, that is what I hope to impart to you. So I really hope that you are going to enjoy this style of vlogging that I'm going to be doing. It's not going to be the same every single day, but my goal is to upload for 12 days leading to Christmas, and that might mean that there may be a day that I don't, and I'm going to give myself grace if that does occur. And also going to the day after Christmas for, you know, Christmas Day and whatever it is that I cover on that day. So I'm so excited that you are here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And also, if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you and let you know that I have so many different areas that I cover on my channel. We've recently been doing a fixer-upper. I've put that on hold for the remainder of this year, and hopefully we are going to be picking up that series come next year. Maybe not right at the first of next year, but whenever we start our projects again. But it's been really fun to, you know, basically fix up this house that my mom has let us live in. This is actually her property, and we built her a tiny house in the back. So it's been really great, and I look forward to spending this holiday season here for the first time and making a lot of great memories with family and friends and with all of you. So let's get into this Vlogmas. So today what I have going on is Ivan has a performance after school this evening, and I had Aria, she's at home today because she actually came down with what Kira had earlier in the week, and so she's had a fever since yesterday and was getting sick through the night. So she's staying home with me today. I've just been letting her do, you know, what she feels like doing. She ate some chicken soup with rice and also some pears, and we had, you know, just some time together while she ate, and then now she's painting. And that's something that it is so few and far between if they've ever, I don't even know if they've ever stayed home from school before. Maybe one time one of them stayed home from school. That is how long it's been. So I just wanted, you know, to make her feel really comfortable, and it's giving me some time to do some stuff around here as well. So I already started dinner, which we're going to be having just some shredded beef with, I put some onions and tomatoes and green bell pepper as well as some carrots in there. Just, I had a few carrots in a baggie and I put those in there. So other than that, I made a productivity list last night, and I've been doing that just to kind of get things out of my mind and help me to prioritize what things I wanted to accomplish in the day. And I find that if I don't do this, then I go from one thing to another, and I rarely get exactly what I want done. So I did that. I started checking things off my list today, and I decided the one project that I would really love to accomplish today would be to organize our bedroom, the area where we get ready, because when something is so messy that it just kind of brings you a little bit of stress, even if you have to move things back and forth just to get what it is that you need. I find that it's such an unnecessary stress to have. And so, yes, I've been focusing on some other things, but today, with it being, you know, being laid back kind of day, I wanted to focus on that, just be in my room and organize things how I want to. Now, for a little bit of a backstory, or you know what's going on in that department. I did have a wardrobe in there. However, I decided to put it in my girls' room so that their room is complete, because they don't have a closet in their room. They were using my son's closet as their closet for the time being, but I just wanted them to have everything that they needed in their room. So I put the wardrobe in there, and it looks great in there, and they've been using it, and it's perfect size for the amount of stuff that they have. So I do have a rolling rack in our bedroom, and this is where I want to house all of our hang-up clothes. I'm gonna take some time now to organize my life when it comes to my room. First things first, this is what I want to get to. This is all the stuff I took out of my wardrobe when I was gonna move it. I have all of these right here, and just lots of stuff back there. Some stuff that I was going to be going through to get rid of, things that I had in my office, stuff that I'm storing because I'm going to be selling, all of that. And then also items that I need to pack away for the springtime. So I did find this when I was looking for some dresses for this time of year. Just finding dresses that are long enough for my girls has been an issue in store. So I purchased this off of Amazon, and this color, which by the way, I'm going to be doing a video very soon about my girls' wardrobe and how I'm turning to capsule wardrobes for them. And so for my daughter Kira, she has beautiful ice blue eyes, and just with her coloring and everything, this color blue, these colors will look so good on her, and also with the cream. And so this is going to be part of her capsule wardrobe come springtime, and so I wanted to pack that away. The hardest part of doing all of this is just starting. So I'm happy to take you all along with me to show you how I just start. And this is just how everybody can get through a project, is to just decide that you're going to do it. All right, so I still have a little bit left to do and to go through, but for the most part, I have all of my donation stuff here, some other stuff I need to pack away, stuff to return, and then also things that I need to picture and post on my Poshmark app. That way I can get through this and dwindle this down, hopefully very soon. So, but other than that, everything's pretty much done. I have some laundry to fold, and until next time, I hope that you all take care, and we will talk soon. Bye, everyone.